What is going on, everybody? My name is Dr. Fixit. Yes, I am a real doctor. I'm a chiropractor and I love to fix things. Today I have this battery-powered soldering device. Now the issue with this is that it doesn't work anymore. I don't know why. I took the batteries out and one of them looked a little corroded, so I think we have a corrosion issue. I would like to get this thing working again. I know it's not the best solder in the world, but it comes in handy in various projects. Let's go ahead and start taking it apart. As you can see, this contact for the battery is all corroded. Looks like a battery leaked all over it. So we're going to need to take that out and clean it up. Okay, so we got it all brushed off. Now we're going to clean it with some alcohol. Alright, let's put it back together. Let's put some batteries in and see if it works. There we go. That's on. Whoop! Ooh, that tip is really hot. Okay, let's see if it can burn some solder. And there we are. That's some solder. Now this is just like when I took it out of the box for the first time. I'm so happy that this thing is finally fixed. I can't wait to start using this thing when working on electronics. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like as well as subscribe to my channel. I think we can officially call this one fixed.